I started another camper, and this one's going to be 6.5 feet wide and 9 feet long on the deck. It may hang out over the back a little bit, hang out over the front a little bit. And you already saw the trailer part. Well, I just assembled the trailer, just follow the instructions. And they're not real clear, but you'll figure it out. It's not hard. And I already upgraded wheels to 13-inch. 175. Let's see, I can't read it from here. 175 8013s. So you should be able to look down. My edges should be pretty decent. Nice and slick down there, and then also all the way around. I got it nice and slick like that. And then I think I'm gonna run the wires up through the floor and then run them up into the camper and put the taillights maybe up here. And then I know I'd like to have license plate higher up like I did on the Belair camper in there. And then as far as the wheel wells, I maybe just do some basic arches. I don't know if I'm going to do that thing where like the Scotties where it goes like this and down. I don't know, maybe. Depends on how I feel on the day I'm doing it. But this is going to be a roomy one. It's 6.5 by 9. About 80 square feet. That's going to be a big teardrop. Or either a Scotty knockoff. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to see. It was hot today, man. Got up to 80. So you're wanting to know why this deck looks stupid like this. Of all this deck material was given to me by one of my neighbors in Galveston. It's decking material, not decking, but siding material. And he asked me if I would like it because it was 3/8 of an inch or 11/32. Anyway, you can see, I'll put my finger up there and you can see it's, I forget the size of it, but I said yes. So I'm loving it. So all I had to buy was, those Mustangs always sound good. All I had to buy was one new sheet to match it, and I'll sand it a little bit. And on this one, instead of putting the vinyl in there, I'm gonna paint the floor. I'm gonna hit it with the sander real quick, and I'm gonna put a thin coat of primer on it, and then I'll paint it, and maybe in the main floor entrance area here where your kid might play, maybe I'll paint a big checkerboard on the floor. Call it Saturday morning checkers. And the reason you call it that is because Friday night all the grown-ups get together and have soda pops. And if they save all the caps, let's say he's drinking that brand and they're drinking that brand, then there's your checkers right there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna try to sew all these videos together. I'm just gonna post them as I make them. Thanks for watching. If you got a question, put it in the comment section. If you want to make a statement, that's cool too. And thank you for stopping by.